Good day, I'm Fitz Jerald Balen, grade 12 Diamond. Today I'm gonna reporting complete step in reformatting a computer, installing software and Microsoft Office. Reformatting. A computer wipes data stored on its hard drive, allowing for a clean installation of system and programs. Step by step on reformatting a computer. Step 1. Insert the bootable USB in USB port of the computer. Step 2. Power on the computer. Step 3. While the computer is powering on, hit the delete key until it will go to startup menu. Step 4. In the startup menu, look for the boot device settings. Change the default boot device from hard disk to USB port. Step 5. Go to advanced setup. Step 6. Change hard disk drive priority. Step 7. Exit and restart. Step 8. Wait until the computer restarts properly. Step 9. Wait while Windows load necessary setup files. Step 10. The computer will reboot and will prompt you from time to time on what to do. Step 11. Setup will ask you to enter your license key. If none, click I do not have license. Key Windows will let you use trial version with limitations. Step 12. You have to agree on terms of use. Step 13. You can choose either first install or upgrade. Step 14. Select partition to where it will be installed. Step 15. Wait until you finish installing. Step 16. The key is to follow from suggest action. Installing software from web. Today, the most common way to get new software is to download from the internet. The installation files will be saved to your computer in exe format, pronounced .exe. This is the standard extension for installation files on Windows computer. You can follow the step below to install an application from an exe file. Step 1. Locate and download an exe file. Step 2. Locate and double-click the exe files. It will usually be in your download folder. Step 3. A dialog box will appear. Follow the instruction to install the software. Finally, step 4. The software will be installed. You can now open the application from the Start menu or the Start screen. Now, step on. Installing Microsoft Office on a computer. Step 1. Go to your Account Office page. See Pictures. This will open a page with your Office purchase. Step 2. Click Install. It's an orange button below your subscription name. Step 3. Click Install again. Your Office setup file will begin downloading. If you purchase the student version of Microsoft Office, skip this step. Step 4. Double-click the Office setup files. You'll find it in your computer default download location. Step 5. Click Yes when prompted. Doing so will run the setup file and begin installing Office on your computer. Step 6. Wait for Microsoft Office to finish installing. This process may take several minutes. And last, step 7. Click Close when prompted. Your Microsoft Office programs have now been installed on your computer. You're free to begin using the programs right away. Thank you for watching. I am Fitz Jerald Balen, grade 12 Diamond.